Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you're having a great weekend. I am back to share a couple projects that I created for Bona using her Flair buttons. And this time around, you guys, she sent so many. The design team package was just jam-packed with the cutest designs. She included vintage Christmas, Halloween, doodlebug, coffee themed, and I believe Hello Kitty, just to name a few. I'm sure I'm forgetting some. But I did create some Halloween projects using the buttons. I did share these on Instagram. I just hadn't had a chance to do the video until today. But I made 3 of these cute little award ribbons, and they're for my son and a couple of my neighbor's kids. So I didn't do too much embellishing. I just created these little award ribbons using the cute little kids design, and they're all dressed up in costume. I think these are whimsy images. So cute. So this is a little Frankenstein. He's one of my favorites. And I did use a die from my stash for that, and then just little crepe paper layer and a punch out there. So I did share these on Instagram. And then this is the die set that I used, this smaller piece. So that I picked up on Ally a while ago, so I'm not sure if it's still available. And then I made some dangles, some little charm dangles to add to packaging and to gift. And I'm still getting ready to send out some Halloween Happy Mail still, guys, all late as usual for me. So anyway, I did this one using, I think Bona shared this too a while back, like a candy wrapper type of packaging, and I've seen a lot of people doing this on Instagram too. So I just packaged up a little embellishment that I had created and added this cute little dangle charm. So this is the 1-inch button, and this little guy is dressed as a mummy, so cute, and just some beads there. So there's that one. And this one here is a 1 1/4 inch Flair button. And then I made another little dangle here. And this little boy, he's dressed up as a little skeleton with his little trick-or-treat pail and just some more beads. So I had fun making these and playing with my beads. And then this one here uses another little Frankenstein image, just in the smaller button size. So this one's a keychain. And she did include the keychain and the clear bails to turn these into little charms in her design team package too. So she just set me all up, ready to go. And this one, I used some beads from my stash to spell out spooky. And so there's that. And then I made this one into a paper clip. She included these two, you guys. So cute. I love the pink. And this one's a little witch. I think this is Doodlebug. And then just more beads from my stash on this one. And so those are the little charms that I had created for Halloween, and I'll be sending out soon. So there's that. And then I have moved on to Christmas crafting, and I've been wanting to do this, and so I'm making a couple of like little ornaments, or dressing up some ornaments for the tree that I'm going to be putting in my craft room. So I had these snowflakes. I'm not sure if I picked these up at Dollar Tree or Walmart a year or two ago, but I really like them because they're a bright white and they have some glitter on them. And then I just created some little rosettes using the Santa Baby Frank Garcia collection from a couple years ago, and they go perfect with this, you guys. These are the vintage pink Christmas buttons that I received, and I just love this little tree. So cute. So I added a layer underneath the rosette of some tulle that has like splatter on it, the rosette, the button, and a little Tim Holtz sticker that says Season's Greetings. The little pearls were also gifted to me by Bona. So really cute. And then I just punched out a hole at the bottom so I could hang this little bead here, sparkly bead. These are my favorites, one of my favorites. It comes from Walmart. And then I didn't want to punch another hole at the top to add the hanger, so I just used twine and I tied a bow on to hang it. So there's that one. And I made 3. So this next one is a gingerbread theme. So I've been seeing a lot of really cute gingerbread theme projects out there, so I thought this was so cute. And actually Bona also had a giveaway recently where she has a whole box full of just gingerbread buttons that she gave away. So cute. And for this one I did a red striped bead and pretty much the same thing. Added the tulle, another rosette, and then the little gingerbread button. And then this one here says Merry and Bright, some more of the little pearls, and some twine to hang it. So there's that one. And then this next one, I used the pink poinsettia. Is so pretty, so I had to use that one. Another bead there, and this one says White Christmas. So pretty much the same. So I made those 3. And then the last couple projects I created are these little tree boxes I've had in my stash for a while, and they're tiny and they're already painted white. So I just traced out the image of the tree onto some pattern paper and added some clear glitter. I think I have, I think it's kind of chunky, like medium chunky clear glitter around the edges. And then I used some snowflakes that I punched out to layer underneath the button, a little star, and some more of the little pearls. So I think these are so cute, and I think I'm going to make these into ornaments as well. The tops don't fit perfectly on these, so I think I'm going to punch 2 little holes in the top and the bottom part so that they'll kind of stay together when I hang them. But I think they're just so cute, and I was happy to finally use those. I made 3. This one here has the cute little deer image on that button, and same thing, you know, I used the Santa baby paper for the bottom of this one. This is a different paper collection. I needed something with a little bit more green in it. So this one, I love this deer image. So cute. And then this last one here, another image that I think is so cute. These little vintage images, and it's like 2 little girls by the Christmas tree. Super cute. So I was happy to make these, and I think they turned out really cute. So these are the boxes that I used. Like I said, they came whitewashed and just plain, so I just had fun dressing them up. And I'll share a couple more things that I used in case you are wondering. So these are the Snowflakes ornaments that I used. I'm not sure, like I said, I think it's Dollar Tree by the packaging. And then these are some more of the buttons that Bona sent. Just really cute. Little pink Santa, another deer there. And then these. So cute. And then for this one here, I used this paper here from the 6x6 pad, Merry Everything from Michael's from a while ago. And then, of course, the Santa Baby paper collection by Frank Garcia. So I've had this a couple years, and it just goes perfect with these buttons. I know he has a new one out as well, but I just used that one because I have it, and I think it is just perfect with that collection too. So those are my projects, guys. I hope you enjoyed taking a look. Let me know what you guys think, and I will link Bona's information in the description box below so you can check her out. She is Bona Rivera Tran on Instagram, and you can DM her for any questions or orders. And she is Live Love Scrap here on YouTube as well. All right, guys, thank you so much for stopping by and taking a look. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.